Have you ever felt like you're in a constant battle with the mess in your kitchen? Despite your efforts, the clutter seems to always find its way back. If so, you are not alone. Many of us living in a poorly designed kitchen without even realizing it, leading to frustrations and endless cleaning chores. But what if I tell you there's a better way? Today I'm going to review the top 5 mistakes in kitchen design that might be holding you back. This is episode 1, episode 2 and 3 will be coming up soon. Trust me, you will want to see these before you make any big decisions. So let's dive in and transform your kitchen for the better. In today's kitchen, there's a very exciting trend happening. Drawer is taking over from cabinet. And this trend, it's not gonna fade away anytime soon. Why? Because drawers simply offers a better design solution.
Drawers have better accessibility and visibility. Imagine you're in the middle of cooking, desperately searching for a container so you don't overcook the food, but they are in the depths of a cabinet. Their sliding mechanism brings every utensil within arm's reach, saving you time and frustration. In another case, imagine bending and reaching into a low cabinet like what I'm doing here, straining your back when you're in your 60s. Even though drawers are more expensive, but think about your kitchen design in the long run.
Make the switch to drawer, your kitchen and your body will thank you. Now, you might be thinking, but I have plenty of large kitchen appliances. Don't worry. Nowadays, there's a wide range of drawer solutions available in the market, catering to various needs from spice storage solution to baking tools. If you're in Australia, you can consider using Blum. I've personally used them before and I've used them for my client before and they are excellent. I'm definitely not sponsored. I wish I'm sponsored, but no, I've just used them before and they are very good.
I thought I would show you guys some Blum products that I think they're good. Again, I don't work for Blum nor I'm sponsored. I genuinely think they are a good brand. As you can see, they have customized accessories, different types of dividers or inserts. If you're a renter, you can consider getting just the dividers. If you're considering to renovate your kitchen, you can look at their customized pantry joinery or some special drawers such as drawers for baking tools, tall bottles or the skin cabinet. This is a drawer that's designed to use up the space next to the sink. Traditionally, we don't usually do anything to that space, but Blum does challenge that, and I think they came up with an innovative idea. But do bear in mind that the more pieces of materials you use, the more expensive your joinery will get. Even so, I think if the product buys you convenience, it is a good investment to consider for a long run in your kitchen. This is my tip for choosing drawers over cabinets. If you are interested, you can also have a look of their catalog so you can have a broad idea of what products they have. I personally don't think it is necessary because it is 700 pages and it is a lot of specifications which a normal retail customer wouldn't need to know about it.
Obviously, if you worry about budget, you can always go with IKEA. I'm pretty sure they would have someone who can help you with that. When you see all the different types of drawers available, you should really ask yourself, are you really customizing your kitchen designs according to your needs and lifestyle? It is essential to tailor your storage sizes and purposes according to what tools you use regularly.
For example, if you mostly cook Asian dishes, and Asian cooking often uses top bottles like soy sauce or oyster sauce, so you will need drawers that fit those bottles. You might want to consider swapping out the usual 280mm high 3-unit drawers to a 2-unit drawers so you can have a higher drawer at the bottom. If you don't usually use spices, you don't always need a wide, shallow drawer besides your utensil drawers.
And if you love baking, why not think about getting a drawer just for your baking tools? It sounds fancy, but it's actually not. Because I've personally used it for my client before and they actually found it more useful than just fancy. Once you design your kitchen with a little bit more intention, you'll find your kitchen stays cleaner and more organized. Sure, things might get messy over time, but you already have a system in place so you can keep things under control and no more constant battle with all the kitchen clutter. Corner can be one of the most tricky parts to design in a kitchen. If you don't design it properly, it can be a nightmare. That being said, a corner can actually offer a lot of potential storage space. With the right approach, you can actually turn that tricky corner into a highly functional storage space. For example, you can consider converting your corner cabinet into a corner drawer system. Or if you want a more budget-friendly system, you can also consider a lazy Susan. With a bit of creativity and planning, you can actually turn that corner into a very useful space for your kitchen. Whether or not if you're a fan of some Asian spicy dishes or baked goods, having a dedicated space for a pantry is essential for kitchen design.
Having all your pantry items stored in one designated cabinet makes it convenient to access everything you need while cooking or prepping meals. Unlike standalone shelving units or scattered storage spaces, a built-in pantry cabinet keeps everything centralized and easily accessible, saving you time and effort. Not only things are organized, it also creates a streamlined aesthetic in your kitchen. By concealing pantry items behind closed doors, it helps maintain a clutter-free and organized appearance, enhancing the overall look and feel of the space.
Even if you're renting and you don't have the luxury of having a spacious built-in pantry, there's still plenty of solutions to this problem.
You can utilize your wall space with shelves or racks to optimize your kitchen storage. They provide additional space for storing items such as cookware, spices, or even decorations. By utilizing vertical space on your walls, you can keep essential items within easy reach while freeing up valuable countertop. If you do need extra storage, you can also consider adding a roller island or a roller pantry. Not having organizers in the fridge isn't typically considered a fundamental aspect of kitchen design, but its absence can lead to disorganization and messiness in the kitchen. Therefore, I include it in this video.
Without proper organizers, it's like you're playing hide and seek with all your unknown Costco stock up. Fun fact, with this stock up our sliced cheese and we freeze them. And it's not a good idea. Items get lost in the depth of the freezer, buried underneath your bags of veggies and meat. All the groceries get pushed back or you need to be forgotten and left to spoil. But I'm here for you. There is a solution for this chilly chaos.
If you have never bought any organizers before, I recommend you to start with just organizing your pantry staple like sauces and drinks. They allow you to work out how much space you have left for non-regular items, preventing you from over-purchasing and overcrowding your fridge. For those hesitant about investing in organizers, don't worry. Freezer bags and labeling offer a convenient alternative for keeping the fridge tidy and organized without breaking the bank. I used to believe that a larger fridge was the solution to my perpetual mess. Being someone who cooks at home regularly, my fridge was always overflowing. But then I discovered the power of organizers. Suddenly, there was so much more space in my fridge that I hadn't noticed before. It became evident that the bigger fridge wasn't necessary after all. It reminded me of a video I made before about efficient home office setups, and I suggest you to check it out if you are doing your home office setup. With a good storage system in place, you just don't need extra space.
With a little organization magic, You will never have to play roulette when you try to find things in your fridge or freezer. In conclusion, when it comes to kitchen design, ineffective storage solution can be one of the top mistakes that causes all the chaos and extra chores. Remember to customize your storage solution that fits your lifestyle and making use of every single drawer and shelf. Not only you will make a beautiful kitchen, but the one that actually works for you. I will talk about how to actually make your kitchen look aesthetically pleasing next time. So stay tuned and subscribe. If you find this video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!